Hello students, today we are going to start our 6.3 exercise. In this one, first sum, state which pair of triangle in the figure 6.34 are similar. Write the similarity criteria used by you for answering the question and also write the pair of similar triangles in the symbolic form. So let's start. First diagram, that ABC and PQR, we have to see it's a similar or not. Firstly, for similarity we have two criteria. Which one? First criteria, that all three angles are equal. Second one, two angles are in ratio and including angles are equal. So let's start. A angle is 60, P is also 60. B angle is 80, Q is also 80. C is 40 and R is also 40. So all things are equal. So we can say angle A equal to angle P, angle B equal to Q and angle C equal to R. So all three angles are equal. So we can say triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR by angle. So triangles are similar. Okay? So other parts you can do by yourself. Now come on the second one part. In the figure 6.35, triangle ODC similar to triangle OBA, they have already given to us. Then angle BOC, that is 125, and angle CDO, that is 70. Then we have to find angle DOC, angle DCO and angle AOAB. Okay? So now firstly we have to find angle DOC. So DB is a straight line. We can write angle BOC plus DOC is equal to 180. It's a linear pair. And angle BOC, that is a 125 plus DOC is equal to 180. So angle DOC is equal to 180 minus 125. So equal to 555. So angle DOC, that is equal to 55. Now this one we can find by angle sum property. So triangle DOC, in this one angle DOC plus OCD plus ODC is equal to 180, angle sum property. So DOC already we have find it 55, and OCD we have to find, and ODC, that is 70, equal to 180. So firstly add both, it become 125 is equal to 180. So OCD is equal to 180 minus 125, that equal to 55. Okay? Then after that we have to find this one angle. So in the question they have given triangle ODC similar to triangle OBA. Let's check. ODC OBA. Similarity means first one part OO, then D equal to B and C equal to A. So it mean we can write OCD equal to OAB equal to 55 by angle. So we have find it all the angles. Now see the third one. Diagonal AC and BD of a trapezium ABCD with AB parallel to DC intersect each other at point O. Using a similarity criteria for two triangles, show that OA upon OC and OB upon OD. So already they have mentioned similarity criteria. So this one we have to use similarity criteria. So here is diagram. ABCD is a trapezium and AC and BD diagonal intersect at O. So trapezium is divided into 4 triangles. Okay? So we can take 2 triangles, triangle AOB and triangle COD. So in this one I can write angle BAO is equal to OCD. Why? Because AB parallel to CD, these are given, so it's a alternative interior angles. ठीक है, and other one I can write OBA is equal to ODC, it's also alternative interior angles. ठीक है, so two reasons are there, so we can say triangles are similar by angle. So if triangles are similar then by angle, then their sides are in proportion. It means we can write OA over OC and OB over OD, and this one we have to prove. Fourth sum, in figure 6.36, QR over QS, QT over PR and angle 1 equal to angle 2 show that triangle PQS similar to triangle TQR. So in this one nothing else, just they confused by diagram. So firstly what they given? They given QR over QS is equal to QT over PR. This one they have given, and angle 1 equal to 2. Angle 1 equal to 2. If opposite angles are equal, then opposite sides also equal. It means we can say PQ equal to PR. Here we are writing the reason. If opposite sides are equal, then opposite angle also equal. Now this one value we can replace here. It's a 1 and 2. Put 2 value in 1. So on the place of PR I can put PQ. So it's become QR over QS is equal to QT over PQ. ठीक है, let's check the question. QR over QS, QT over PQ. So it's going to be triangle and angle Q is common in both triangles. So triangle PQS similar to triangle QRS by side angle side. ठीक है. In fifth one, S and T are points on sides PR and QR of triangle PQR such that angle P is equal to angle RTS. Show that triangle RPQ similar to triangle RTS. So firstly we have to go for diagram. PQR triangle is there and S point on the PR and T point on the QR, and now we have to join. After that they have given angle P is equal to angle RTS, and we have to prove triangle RPQ similar to RTS. So in triangle RTS and triangle RPQ, so in this one firstly they have given RTS is equal to angle P, it's a given, and angle R is common in both. So by angle our triangles are similar. ठीक है, this one we have to prove. Next sum, in figure 6.37, triangle ABE congruent to triangle ACD. Show that triangle ADE similar to triangle ABC. So congruency is there. Firstly congruency is there, it means their three sides and three angles are equal. So triangle ABE congruent to triangle ACD. So it means their corresponding parts are equal. We can say AB equal to AC, AD equal to AE and BE equal to CD. ठीक है. So we need only first two sides. So give one number to this and to this. Divide 2 by 1. ठीक है. It means we can write it AD over AB and AE over AC. Let's check AD over AB, AE over AC. It's satisfied to similarity proportion. One reason is less. What? Angle A equal to A, that is common. So it means two reasons are prepared. We can say triangle AD is similar to triangle ABC by side angle side criteria. ठीक है ना. In seventh sum, I just guide to you, but you have to do it yourself. So in the figure 6.38, altitude AD and CE. Altitude means that form 90-degree angle of triangle ABC intersect each other at P. Then show that firstly AEP triangle similar to CPD. So if we want to similar two triangles, then one is by angle we can do, and second we can do by side proportion and corresponding angle. So here we can use by the angle. How? But it's very easy like that. In these two triangle, firstly these two are 90-90 and it's a vertically opposite angle. So triangles are similar by angle criteria. ठीक है. Second one ABD similar to CBE. So firstly ABD and CBD full one. So in this one B angle is common in both. Second it's a 90 and it's also 90. So again by angle criteria triangles are going to similar. Third one AEP and ADB. So APE and ADB. In both angle A is common and here it's a 90-degree and it's a 90-degree. So again angle criteria triangles are similar. And last one PDC and BEC. So in this one C angle is common and 90-90 angle is common. So again angle criteria triangles are similar.